A great day for a swim.
Yeah. It'd be nothing worse than wiping out right before I'm coming here.
Yeah, right.
And then be here like, oh yeah, so how you guys?
Oh, I can't go in. Yeah, sure.
Today I want to talk about swimmer safety, some of the concepts that we can use with augmented reality eyeglasses. So winter swimming is something that's really fun and challenging. When we swim in the winter we have to deal with things like cold water. We look at temperature, heat loss, heat gain, and so that's important to think about the overall calculations, and we can do augmented reality overlay with the eyeglasses to get heat loss, heat gain. And I've never tried cocaine myself, but a lot of people have said it's a lot like cocaine, the rush that you get, and the same rules apply. You want to make sure that you're with other people, you don't do it alone, and that you have a presence of mind to make sure you're able to get dressed when you're finished, and so on. So I hope you enjoy. Visit us at SwimUp, facebook.com/groups/SwimUp. Sydney!
Oh yeah, for sure. See, I'm good with just Good point. Let's up.
Good! I feel great. Yeah, I feel good. All right, that was fun.
Yeah.
That was a super load of fun.
The champion,
The champion.
Good job, everybody.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
All right. That was fun.